How to unclog sink drains, old house versus new plumbing systems. Have you ever faced the frustration of a clogged sink drain? Whether you live in an old house or a newer one, the process of unclogging can vary. Let's break down how to tackle this common issue based on the plumbing system you have. First, it is important to identify where the clog is located. It could be near the sink drain, in the pop-up assembly, or further down the drain pipe. Knowing this will help you choose the right method for unclogging. One of the simplest tools you can use is a plunger. Start by filling the sink with enough water to cover the rubber cup of the plunger. Place the plunger firmly over the drain to create a tight seal. Don't forget to block the overflow opening with a wet rag to prevent water from splashing back. Now, plunge vigorously several times. After a few attempts, remove the plunger and check if the water drains properly. This method is effective for minor clogs in both old and new plumbing systems. If the clog is deeper, a drain snake, also known as an auger, can be very helpful. Insert the snake into the drain opening and push it down while turning the handle clockwise. When you feel resistance, keep rotating to break up or catch the clog. Afterward, pull out the snake to remove any debris and run hot water to flush out the remaining material. In older homes, the pipes may be narrower or made from materials like galvanized steel, which can make using a snake more challenging. Newer plumbing often uses polyvinyl chloride pipes that allow for easier access. Another common issue is the pop-up drain assembly, which can trap hair and debris. To clean it, use an open-faced wrench to loosen the nut on the drain pipe under the sink. Remove the pop-up assembly and clean out any gunk manually. Newer plumbing systems may have magnetic pop-up assemblies, making them easier to remove and clean. Some modern plumbing systems come with P-traps that have built-in clean-out plugs. This design allows for easier access to clear clogs without needing to dismantle the entire trap. In contrast, older houses usually have standard P-traps that requiring full removal for cleaning. When dealing with older plumbing, be cautious. Corrosion, mineral buildup, or misaligned joints can complicate unclogging efforts. Always handle tools carefully to avoid damaging fragile pipes. New plumbing systems typically benefit from improved materials that reduce clog formation and make maintenance easier. For persistent clogs, it may be necessary to call a professional plumber, especially if the clog is beyond the trap or in the main drain line. To prevent future clogs, regularly clean the pop-up assembly and avoid disposing of grease, hair, or large food particles down the drain. After clearing a clog, running hot water can help flush out any remaining debris. In summary, while the methods for unclogging sink drains are similar for both old and new plumbing systems, the design and materials can make a significant difference in the process. Knowing these differences can help you tackle clogs more effectively.